Hi guys, wow, I'm here once again. I'm here. I don't come again to wish my friend, my sister, a very big happy birthday. Wow, sis Rocky, today is your day. You not get part two at all. I give you three boza because you know why I give you the three boza. It's not easy. All your mate on the 6 feet, but you, God still keep you alive for a purpose because God know why He keep you alive. So just keep to the enjoy because your day now today. Sis, keep enjoying, keep flowing. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Please, friends and family, join me to wish my sister, my friend.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully